Hello everyone, I'm Praveen. Let's get started with Chakra UI. We're going to be using Chakra UI React Edition. For this, I'm creating a Vite project with React.js template. Let's get started. So I'm going to specify React.js as my template. Also, I'm going to name it Chakra UI app, and let's create it. That's it. cd Chakra UI app, npm install. We are done with the package installations, and now we can run the project by running npm run dev. All right, we are up with the Vite project. Now let's introduce Chakra. If we go to get started and installation, we see that it requires some of these things to be installed. So let's do that. We'll stop this, paste it here. All right, our dependencies are installed now, and we can go ahead and import ChakraProvider. So now we can just go to VS Code, open main.tsx, import ChakraProvider, and wrap our component around ChakraProvider. ChakraProvider, and this should be it. Save. Let's run it again. And if we go, yeah, nothing seems here right now, but I think we can now use components from Chakra. So let's import button, and let's go ahead and add a button here saying hello Chakra. And this looks good.